One of the things that we actively chose to do is to not change any optics when you're changing a typical tip, right? Because when you put new optics in front of this, you've changed the microscope. So we've got the same microscope looking at MPO and at simplex. So we don't need to make a compromise optical system. We make one really good optical system.
The INX 700 series microscope features what we call panoptic technology. This allows the microscope to automatically pan across the end face of a multi-fiber connector, and it will take multiple images of that connector end face and will stitch it together to present a holistic view, edge-to-edge view of the connector under test.
We have very even illumination. You can see corner to corner. It is a beautiful image.